Hi, I'm Sarah and you are watching Can Sarah DIY It. Today I am doing an unboxing for a new product that was sent to me called Eco Resin, and I'm really excited. I think they sent me their Christmas box. I'm not sponsored, but they did send me the product, and so I'm just gonna give you my overall opinion, and I'm gonna work with the product, and I can't wait. So it's gonna be fun to unbox this stuff because, you know, I have no idea what's coming, and we'll see what we can come up with to make for this holiday season. All right, let's get into it. Like now. How cute. Okay. It comes with a mask for safety, some paint. The paint doesn't look overly expensive. Ooh, you can't have too many of these trays. Oh my word. Look at that. Okay, I love that. Sandpaper, yes. Okay, ecopolymer casting liquid. Okay, this is very much like Jesmonite. Ecopolymer resin casting powder. Okay, and it looks like it's 3-to-1. These cups came in. I don't know how helpful they're gonna be, but we'll see. I think I might have to get my scale out for this. Okay. While this kit was sent to me, I'm not sponsored, and I am going to give you my honest opinion and review. I will leave a link in my description box in case you want to purchase this kit for yourself or as a Christmas gift. I personally would love to get something like this for Christmas. There are different ways to measure your ingredients, but I prefer to be very precise and use my small food scale to measure out 1 part liquid to 3 parts powder. I mixed the ingredients together until the mixture was smooth. I first poured it into the Christmas mold and the remaining mix into the tray mold that was included. I had to mix a bit more to fill the tray mold. If you're not already, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button and comment. It helps YouTube notice me and suggest me to other people who might be interested in my work. Thanks so much. Let's get back to the video. After about 30 to 45 minutes, I was able to easily unmold these 2 pieces. I was so excited to unmold this, and it did not disappoint. I love it, and I'm trying to figure out what I should do, maybe paint it to make it a little bit more exciting. On my second attempt, I wanted to use the acrylic paint that was included to color the mix before pouring. I used all of the paint that was included for the green, and then I used the black paint for my second color, and I used as much as I could scrape out of the little container. Now, they definitely made pastel colors, and I'm not 100% sure that this was the intended use for the paints, but the kit did not include any other colorants, and so I just went for it. I definitely think it worked, but I would definitely want more concentrated pigment to use in the future. The mixture started to thicken up very quickly. The first time I used it, I poured it immediately, and this one, because I used the colorants, it was a little bit longer, not by much though. I also left my camera on to do a little time lapse, which I thought was pretty interesting too. Unmolding these was exciting, but also I wasn't sure how the paint would mix with the mixture. I ended up getting a lot of air bubbles or air pockets on the Christmas mold specifically. So I think I should have jostled and moved that mold around a lot more, and that would have fixed it. But aside from that, I do like the different colors work together. And again, I would just use more of a concentrated colorant in the future. I would absolutely recommend this kit for anyone that wants to try out different types of resin. And especially because this is eco-friendly, it's not going to have any of the toxins that normal epoxy resin would.
thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please, please make sure to try and do new things, try new things. Step outside your comfort zone. These are things that make us grow and learn. And I hope that you felt inspired. Please have a wonderful week. Happy holidays to everyone. Goodbye.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow we'll